whole way home, I sobbed. Over and over in my head, I thought about what had just happened. In school, a guy called Officer Friendly taught us about stranger danger, never to answer the door when your parents are gone. I thought people like my cousin jumped out of bushes at night and attacked you. I was never warned about my own family. They don't teach you that in school. Hello, Missouri lawmakers. My name is Erin Merrryn, and I'm coming to you from the suburbs of Chicago. As a young child, I was sexually abused from the ages of 6 and 8 by a neighbor. Then again from the ages of 11 to 13 by my older teenage cousin. I was taught as a young child about stranger danger. Don't go look for that little lost puppy. Don't take candy from a stranger. Don't answer the doors when your parents aren't home. That message was drilled in my head as a child, along with the messages of tornado drills, bus drills, fire drills. Then came the DARE program. DARE in 6th grade taught my classmates and I on the 8 ways of how to say no to drugs. But I stand here before you today and ask, where were the 8 ways on how to get away and how to tell today? Where was the message in school coming on safe touch, unsafe touch, safe secrets, unsafe secrets? On who are those people that you can tell if somebody is hurting you? That message never came in my childhood. So when I was being sexually abused and raped from ages 6 to 8, and molested by my cousin from 11 to 13, I listened to the only message I was given, and that message came from my perpetrators. The message on, this is our little secret. No one will believe you. If you tell anybody, I'll come get you. I know where you live. This will destroy our family. With that only message getting through to me, I stayed silent. I kept my secrets locked away in a childhood diary. A diary that I would go on to turn into my first book called Stolen Innocence. My innocence as a child was killed. My trust was taken. And my voice was stolen. But that's one thing I have been able to reclaim. The voice that was silenced as a child. And that is why I'm coming to you today, to hear what I have gone after. I went after a law in the state of Illinois last year, resigning from my job, and went after a law to educate children in the state of Illinois on what I was failed in my childhood, on what millions of children across this country are not hearing. Sexual abuse is a silent epidemic in our society. Nobody wants to talk about it. We all want to look the other way and pretend it's not happening. But the truth of the matter is, it's happening here in Illinois, it's happening there in Missouri, and it's happening across this world. We cannot end this evil epidemic. Sexual predators will always exist. So why, I ask people, why don't we add an extra layer of protection around children by empowering them to use their voice? Some people might argue that this is a parent's role to talk to their kids about this. But statistics say 93% of the time a child is sexually abused by someone they love and trust. And it's often a parent. So we can't expect all parents to sit down and have this talk with their children, especially when the parent can be the perpetrator. So why, when children spend so many hours a day in school throughout a year, why not educate kids in school on sexual abuse? The way we teach them on stranger danger, DARE, tornado drills, bus drills, fire drills, internet safety, bully intervention programs. We have all these wonderful programs in place, but nothing that helps to protect children and empowering them to speak up if someone were to hurt them. Empowering them on how to get away and how to tell today. I don't want another child to spend years in silence the way I have. I want them to be able to use their voice. And after going after Erin's law in the state of Illinois, I testified before the Senate. Everybody voted yes in favor of Erin's law. I testified before the House in November of this past year, and the entire House all voted yes in favor of Erin's law. Then, on February 14th, Governor Quinn signed Erin's law. Erin's law now develops the task force that will study the best curriculum throughout the state to use for children to educate them on sexual abuse. Age-appropriate curriculum, preschool through 5th grade. Who would want to deny children the right to be safe? I am sure several of you listening to this may have never been affected by this personally, but I could tell you at some point in your life, you will discover and learn someone has been affected by sexual abuse. And I hope you will support this, because I can't see anybody wanting to be against protecting the lives of innocent children. It's been passed here in Illinois. Let's check mark Missouri off as the next state to protect the lives of innocent children. Thank you.